inside my chest, a ghost that never lets me rest. I see your smile in every flame and whisper softly through the pain. The nights are cold, the days are long. Without your light, I don't belong. You're gone, but not forgotten. Your voice still echoes through my heart. Though the world keeps turning on, I'm still standing where you're gone. Every dream we built is falling, but your soul still lingers on. You're gone, but not forgotten.